Here at Avironix, we manufacture all our own carbon fiber plates, tubes, and aero structures right here in Chennai. This gives us the ability to fully optimize the design, weight, and strength of our drones while maintaining a tight control over the quality, cost, and performance. It all means we can rapidly prototype new concepts, experimental boldly, and bring the innovation to the market faster. I am Dr. Dinesh Manoharan, CTO Avironix Drones. I hold a PhD in composite material and bring over 15 years of experience in aerospace and UAVs. Including the aero structural design, I worked for the Airbus project A350, A380 aircrafts. I hold 4 patents and 20 international journals. And then I certified FAA Part 21 and then DSA certified pilot. And then also we involved in SAE's international standard for especially on drones. At Avironix, we build the next generation of high performance drones, engineered and manufactured right here in Chennai. We believe that India is ready to lead the global drone revolution.